Welcome to my channel with English and enter to my poetry world. Hear the word society. What comes in your mind when you listen this word? Society. Your surroundings, your friends, your parents, your relatives. Relatives. Relatives, friends, parents do one thing. What is this? They judge us. Some judge us positively and some judge us in a negative manner that you are wrong in front of those people. And some means rare. Rare people in society judge you positively. They say you are right, but you see, the people who say you're right, at least one or two, but the rest are. So, here I am going to talk about society. A boy, he just to say some words to the society, to the people of the society, that what he feel or what she feel. In my case, what I feel. Okay, so let's start. Society. In the every walk and his every day. Here I am a boy and I said his every walk and his every day. If you are a girl, then her every walk and her every day. Okay? So, in the every walk and his every day, some words that mean is just to say. Some words that mean that hurts the boy or the girl, but he just to say. He yet to say some words. Some notice him and some go away. Some notice us. When we do a good work, some means rare, one or two people notice us and greet us, treat us as a positive manner, and the rest are go away. And when we do a small wrong work, all the people of the society in front of us and said that you are wrong, you are a bad boy, you are a bad girl. What's the result? Still, he just to say. Some notice him, some go away. What's the result? Still, he just to say. From his high to buy and hear how he care. Hear how I care. Okay. From his high to buy and hear how he care. With him in the phone, who is there? Is this a girl? Or is this a boy? Whom you are talking with? Is this a girl or is this a boy? Is this a boy? Then this is your boyfriend. And is this your girl? Then this is your girlfriend. Even they are friends. But the society are not ready to understand this. They only say and only say, not drawing the reason of your cry. You cry sometime, I cry sometime. But the society only say and only say. Society only judge and only judge because your look is not like a gentle guy. The senior citizens always telling us to be gentle. And they treat us, they judge us by our hairstyle. You are gentle or not. So, society only judge and only judge because your look is not a gentle guy. Okay, you are the society. You judge by his look. Okay. Here I say, you are the society, you judge by his look. But please, after see the cover, read this book. They see our appearance, they see our dressing style and judge us. So here I am bound to say that please, after see the cover, try to read this book. Then you know and then you feel what he is and what to say. Then you know. I say to the society that then you know and then you feel what he is and he just to say. After some time, I think that you know, you feel that what you do and what you say. Thank you. So please don't judge the boy or the girl by his dressing style, by his hairstyle, and whom he or she is talking with. Please stop this.